Guys, so welcome back to another quick Facebook tutorial video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to change the Facebook cover photo without notifying your friends. So without any further delay, let's get started. Since it is a very simple and quick, so let's open up the Facebook mobile application and then we will click on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. After that, we will simply go to your profile by simply clicking on the profile button, and here we have to go to edit profile. Now we will select cover photo and we'll click on edit. Now it will ask you the further option to select a photo from your gallery, otherwise you can take the picture from your camera roll. So if I am taking the picture as a black background, so once you have your photo has been updated, here you can see the option at the bottom, share your update to news feed. You simply have to disable this option and then you have to click on save. After that, there will be no notification. Then what it does is that it does not notify the people that you updated your cover photo. After that, select save, so no one will know about this change. It won't appear on your timeline either and no one will be able to see anything. If someone open up the Facebook, they won't see any notification saying that you have changed your photo. So that's how you can change it without letting knowing to other people on Facebook. So hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.